baby and mama. The baby has its head down. Mama just fed it. The hawk was in our tree. We could hear all the commotion. Hubby was out here. And he said he seen it come flying out. So from now on, when we hear the crows, we'll be grabbing our cameras or phone, whatever's closest, and pointing it. Whew, it's warm. It was a really nice breeze earlier. We're expecting more rain tonight, 90%, and 90% for the morning. Oops, sorry. I'm just thinking. You see, whoa, that building right there, the glass one, behind that is where we work. What are you doing? What are you going after? I've been watching CJ Faison at Penhurst and some of his Ramanautical, whatever videos. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. What are you doing? Yeah. Boat. I think I have some walnuts left. Drake! There it is. There it is. Drake. Oh, fuck. Where'd you go? And there it goes. Just like I said, when they make noise, I thought it was going to land in the tree. Should have had the wider. I was zooming in for those little twerpers over there. I threw them down some walnuts. So we haven't seen it lately, but we know it's here. Yeah. The sky today. Tell me about it. Wispy. Pidgeys. Big cloud. We do have a really nice view from here. Oh, those aren't pidgeys, those are crows. They're going home. Going home to roost. When we worked at NDMC, they used to roost in the little forested area across from the hospital by the hundreds and hundreds, probably thousands. And I remember the first time I seen them all coming in that direction. It was a little freaky. And then I realized that they were going to roost. And then one morning, because we used to get up at 4:30 to leave by 5, when we get to work, and you can hear them all in the trees. And I did have it on video, but for some reason, I deleted it. I don't know why. But it's cool. But the actual first time I ever seen anything like that was when we lived at our other apartment. And we were... Or were we living here? I can't remember. Anyways, we're on the bus or waiting for the bus. A few blocks away from here. We were at the corner of the farm. And just droves and droves of this black we could see. And then when the light hit them, we realized it was all these crows taking off at the same time. Absolutely amazing. Wasn't the best view of the hawk, but something. Anyway, ciao for now.